and here we go. See, our XAMPP server is okay. Yeah, see, it is on. It is on. We can cut it and we will come here. So where we were like creating a migrate table. So no. Hi, welcome all. So we were on, I remember, yeah, we had made this dairy migration, okay, right? And see, I have named a table string name. And what this means that there will be a column name will be name of type string. Here we don't write var2, we write simply string, and we had made this table. So after making this table here, what we need to do, we need to run this command php artisan migrate. So after running this in here, after running that command at php artisan migrate, I will not run it. Yeah, chalo, let's run it. So I will press enter. You see migrating and migrated this dairy table. We will come here, do simple refresh, and see in Laravel there is a dairy. Okay, and this thing is the one which we named. Now you go to the migration. Here you can also check. So whatever gets migrated, its data gets recorded here. So you can see create dairy table. It has been done. So this is all the stuff. And the another thing is to a very important thing here is that please saved it. Means you write 2-3 column mode. Like I'm writing Control C. I'm writing this and name, class, row number. So I cannot direct, if I want to take this columns here, I cannot directly migrate it. First I need to save it, otherwise a big error will occur. I know, let me tell you, if without saving you migrate it now, then first of all you have to delete your table from here. Means you have to delete your table, you have to delete it from migration, then only it will occur, it will happen. So let us write again. Now I have added this column. Now I will again migrate it, php artisan migrate. It's saying nothing to migrate. See, so you need to be very sure about all these things in the starting only. The other thing is I don't so if you want to edit that, you need to go to the Laravel, you need to drop your table. This is what I was saying, you have to drop it, not only from here, from migration also you need to delete it. Deleting it. Now this page is saved. Yes, it is saved. Now I will migrate it. See, now it is migrating. Refresh. Dairy table came, and see, this all stuff also came. Now till here we have created a migration, and we are using php artisan migrate. We have migrated it to our XAMPP. So after that, what we need to do, we have only made the table and the table name. Now we will insert data, or if the data is already inserted, we want to display it or we want to update it. So what will happen? See, this all stuff will be taken care by controller. So we will make a controller. Okay, so already if you come here in control http controller, you see one controller, it is db controller, right? sir made this controller to let us insert data into our teachers table, right? So if we want to insert data now in our diary table, there are two ways. First way is that I have to make another controller, maybe diary controller, okay, and if then I will have to repeat this all these steps like public function insert data, this all. And the second step is that here I have written public function insert. I can also make let us say public function insert insert one. Okay, this is the second way. And what I can say dollar data equals to db table. What I will do, I will simply copy paste it. Okay, no, tick from here, Control C. Let me paste it. So here you see I have made another function named insert1, and here db table. Now the table name is DARRY diary. I have to insert, yes, there is a name. What name I want to insert? I want to insert name, anything Elon, let's say. After that I have used after name, see in the first part, like here comes the column names, then comes the data. So this is more like an associate array. Okay, now the second column name was name class, and I say class in let it say in 9th. After that next column name was roll number. Let us see. Okay, a huge mistake. See, we have given space and this is not allowed here. So let me go. I don't know how I will do it. Let's try. See, from here nothing will happen, I know that. But if I go to structure and if I change, yeah. I don't know what has happened. Let us. Okay, it is correct. Roll number. Roll number. And I should come here. Roll number. You see the roll number. Roll number 7. Okay. Now we can delete. We don't have this college part, so I can delete this college part. Okay. Now thing it's look fine. Control plus S. Now the most important part is that we are doing it without model. We are doing it using what? Using DB. So don't forget to write this. Use DB. Okay, friends. So let me revise one more time. If you want to add data to another table, either you can make another controller. Okay, like we are using a DB controller. Don't forget to write this. Use DB, and you can simply copy paste all this thing. Now the other way is to make another function and change the table name. Okay, now let's try it's happening or not. See, I have made on the DB controller. See, do this. Now what I will say it, as we have not written anything on, we have not made any front page UI part, means we have nothing, we have not made any file in view, right? So we have to display it here only, and we will use this dollar data. Okay, we will display it here only. Now we need to go to this route part. Yeah, go here and see. Let's make a route. Let me give one space. Yeah, route get and what should be, it should be dairy insert. Okay, dairy insert. What I will want to do, let's call our controller, it's the same controller, so the controller class. Now here I am saying it, instead of insert you go to the insert one, no, one, right? So let's see data gets inserted or not. Okay, come here. Arey, what is this? Data. So I think I have to do Control plus H. Let's see we have, yeah, we have this thing. And now instead of teachers display, I will write dairy insert. Oops, dairy insert one does not exist. Why you does not exist, bro? DB controller insert insert one. Okay, we have this. No need of this. Why this dog is barking? See, data inserted. Now we will check here. We will go to the browse. One alone class 9, the roll number came. Yes. So let me tell you what is happening there. Whenever we write something here, we write a URL in our, we write URL in our Google. Then after that URL, that thing comes here and it finds out the CUD controller. See up one controller. If that controller is present, it will go to that controller, and in that controller, if this function is present, if this method is present, it will go to that method. Inside that method, if we have written view any file, so it will check that file is present or not, and it will do that stuff. Means it's go in this way only, right? So this part is done. I have told you that how to make a migration. Let us revise from starting only. Okay, like in Laravel, we can migrate our table to the XAMPP server. We do not need to create our table in the XAMPP server. So first, for that we need to create a migrator, and for that, which command we use? We use this command, that php artisan make migration, and instead of this part, create flights table, here we write our name, table name. Okay, so we will make it. So after making it, automatically in HTTP, in database, in migration part, that thing gets made. After that thing gets made, this is another yeah, this dairy table is made. We specify the column name. After specifying the column name and after saving it, then we write, now you can migrate. So we write php artisan migrate. So after migrating it, the table structure goes to XAMPP server. After that, using controller, if you want to insert, you can insert. You want to display, you can display your data. Okay, so that's all. Bye.